Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are continuing the properties of triangle topic based on sine rule and cosine rule, projection rule. So now we are in problem number 8. So that is given that in a triangle ABC, sigma nothing but sum of a cube into cos b minus c value we should find. Sum of a cube into cos b minus c value. Now this one I am going to write as a cube, I can write as a square into a. Am I right? A cube I can write as a square into a, and in the place of a we can write 2r sin a. In the place of a, I can write 2r sin a. By cosine rule, we know that a by sin a equals to 2r. A by sin a equals to b by sin b equals to c by sin c equal to r. From this, a is equal to 2r into sin a. Okay? Into cos b minus c. Okay? So that equals to sigma a square into 2r. Now a I can write as 180 minus b plus c, or 180 minus b minus c, okay, right? Because in triangle a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees. In a triangle a plus b plus c, sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees, and a is equals to, you can write 180 minus of b plus c. That means when you transpose plus b becomes minus b, plus c becomes minus c. Okay, na? 180 minus b plus c. Okay, so in the place of sin a, I can write sin 180 minus b plus c. Okay, and cos b minus c. Yeah, that equals to sigma a square into 2r sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sin ratio positive. And whenever 180 and 360, sin ratio will be sin as it is. So we can write this one sin b plus c. Sin b plus c into cos b minus c. Okay. Now in the place of 2r, I can write 2r into 2 or 2 into r, right? Yeah. Now just observe this one. It is in the form of 2 sin cos. 2 sin cos is a formula for sin plus sin, right? 2 sin cos is a formula for sin plus sin. That is equal to sigma a square into r. In the place of sin b plus c, 2 sin b plus c into cos b minus c, I can write sin 2b plus sin 2c. Just you check this one. Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos. First addition 2b plus 2c by 2. 2 common. Numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled, b plus c will be remaining. So next one also like that only. So in the place of 2 sin cos, we can write sin 2b plus sin 2c. Okay, na? Yeah, that is equals to sigma a square into r. Now I am just applying the sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a, right? 2 sin b cos b plus sin 2c, we can write 2 sin c cos c. Multiple angle formula I have written. From the both of them, I can take 2 common element. So already, 2 common. So we can write sigma a square 2r into sin b cos b plus sin c cos c. Okay, na? So just look at that. So first a cube I have written as a square into a. In the place of a, 2r sin a. Then it is in the form of a, I am writing as 180 minus b plus c. Then 2 sin cos formula, I applied sin a plus sin a, or sin plus sin formula. And 2b, sin 2b also I have written as 2 sin cos. Okay, na? Now let us try to multiply this one, sigma a square 2r sin b cos b plus 2r sin c cos c. Okay, 2r sin b. 2r sin b, by using the sin ratio, 2r sin b means small b. So that equals to sigma a square into b cos b plus 2r sin c. 2r sin c means small c. C cos c. B cos b plus c cos c. But while you are observing, it is looking like projection rule. But it is not a projection rule. Projection rule what? B cos c plus c cos b. But here b cos b, c cos c is given. So we cannot apply the projection rule. Again, I am just multiplying with a square with both of the terms. That is equals to sigma a square b cos b plus a square c cos c. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, let us see this one. I am taking here AB or AC common. Let us try to expand this one, a square b cos. Yeah, so this one okay, let me write this one. Here only I am writing this one. I am applying the sigma here. Sigma a square b cos b c cos c. I am writing that. Without the sigma, I can write a b c term should be continued, no? So a square b cos b plus c cos c plus b square c cos c plus a cos a plus c square a cos a plus b cos b. Okay, na? So multiply everything, that is equals to a square b cos b plus a square c cos c plus b square c cos c plus b square a cos a, and also c square a cos a plus c square b cos b. Okay. While you are observing here, I am just taking the common elements from AB, BC, CA from all of the terms. So that will be, I am writing here, okay, that step let me write here. Let me write the step here. What is this? B cos B plus C cos C. Okay. So from A square B, I am taking AB common. So AB terms means what are the terms here? A square B cos B. Still, yeah, A square B cos A. From these two terms, I have taken AB as a common term. Then what is remaining? A cos B remaining plus, from this if I take AB common, B cos A remaining. B cos A remaining plus BC I am taking common. BC terms from B square C and CB square. From these two I have taken BC common term. Then what is remaining here from the first term? B cos C plus C cos B. Next CA common, CA term from these two. So A cos C plus C cos A. Now the projection rule came. So bracket term A cos B plus B cos is nothing but C. A cos B plus B cos is nothing but C. So that means here AB into C, ABC. AB into C, ABC. And second one, B cos C plus C cos A is the formula for small a projection rule. A into BC, ABC, and third one also will come ABC. So ABC plus ABC plus ABC will be 3 times of ABC. So our required answer is 3 ABC. Okay, na? So after this step, we did this step. Clear? Now let us go to the next problem. Problem number 9, that is in triangle ABC are in AP, then we have to find out that A plus C divided by root over A square minus AC plus B square. So capital A, capital B, capital C are in AP. Arithmetic progression. Then what we have discussed for arithmetic progression, the problems 2 times of B equals to A plus C. 2 times of B equals to A plus C. Okay, na? Right. And in triangle ABC, yeah, sum of three angles is 180 degrees, right? So I can write this one as 180 minus B. A plus C I can write as 180 minus C. And minus B, bring this side, becomes plus B. 2B plus B becomes 3B. 3B value is 180 degrees. And B value is 180 by 3, nothing but 60 degrees. So B value is 60 degrees. Now what we have to find? We should find the value of A plus C by root over A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, na? A square minus AB plus B square. Okay. But before that, let us find that A square minus AB plus B square terms. So just I am using the formula for cosine. What is the cos rule? Cos rule is nothing but B square is equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Okay, na? Or we can write this one, cos B equals to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. I am just taking this formula because I know that cos B value, cos B is 60 degrees. And cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2, that is equals to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. Denominator 2 cancel both sides. And AC equals to A square plus C square minus B square. I'm just transposing minus B square, this side becomes plus B square, and it will be A square plus C square minus AC. So nothing but B square value is A square plus C square minus AC by cosine rule. Now see, observe the denominator here, actually here C, root over AC only this one. Yeah, minus AC plus B square. Okay, that is equals to, I am just substituting this value, A plus C by root over, so in the place of A square minus AC plus B square, we can write B square. Square root cancels, therefore the answer is A plus C by B. Okay, na? But still the problem is not yet, and because the options are given, right, 2 cos A minus C by 2 sin A plus C by 2, like that. So let us try to write that A value we can write 2R sin A by using the sine rule. A equals to 2R sin A plus C is equals to 2R sin C by B is equals to 2R sin B. So if you take numerator 2R common, so numerator 2R, denominator 2R cancel, what are remaining? Then sin A plus sin C by sin B. Now I am applying the transformation formula. Sin plus sin is nothing but 2 sin cos. 2 sin cos. So numerator A and C remains. So A plus C by 2, denominator another one A minus C by 2. So denominator is B is remaining, sin B is, we can write that sin B we can write 180 minus A plus B. 180 minus A plus B. Okay, now 180 minus second quadrant sin value is positive. Whenever 180 degrees, sin ratio according to the sin only, it won't change. So it is nothing but sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, I am using the formula like multiple angle, sin 2 sin A plus B by 2, sorry, this is A plus C. Yeah. A plus C by 2 and cos A plus C by 2. Then 2 sin cos. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Same way, same formula. So denominator numerator 2's cancel. Sin a plus c by 2, sin a plus c by 2 cancel. Therefore, the answer is cos a minus c by 2 by cos a plus c by 2. That is the answer. So, after calculating, but the answer still not yet given, but we can try because we know the value of b. Okay, what is the value of b? Cos a plus c by 2 we can write. Cos a plus c we can write 180 minus b by 2. That means 90 minus b by 2. So, cos a minus c by 2 by cos 90 minus b by 2 becomes sin b by 2. But what is the b value? B value is 60 degrees. B by 2 means 60 degrees by 2 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. 1 by 2 when you take to numerator 2 by 1. So 2 cos a minus c by 2. This is our required answer. Okay, check. This much process we need to do. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, 10th problem is given that, in a triangle ABC, cot A plus cot B plus cot C by 2. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C by 2. Yeah, I am using both the rules like sine rule and cos rule. Yeah. Cot I am writing as cos by sine. Cot A is nothing but cos A by sine A. And cot B, cos B by sin B. Then similarly, cot C we can write cos C by sin C. Cos by sin is nothing but cot ratio. And according to cos A formula, by using the cosine rule for cos B is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. And sin A, what is sin A rule? A by sin A is equal to 2r, sin A is equal to a by 2r. So I can write this one a by 2r. Same as this one, a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac divided by b, no? So b by 2r. And the third one, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab whole by c by 2r. Okay. Now, just I am converting like b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc, and this a by 2r when you take the numerator it will be 2r into a, 2r by a, that means 2abc denominator with numerator 2r. Like this will come. Okay, no? Same for this one also, 2r into a square plus c square minus b square by 2abc. So 2r into a square plus b square minus c square by 2abc. So numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel, and all of them having r is a common factor, and r by abc we can take common. Then what is remaining here? B square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. These three terms are remaining. So minus a square plus a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square. What are the remaining values? A square is remaining, b square and c square is remaining. That is equals to r by abc into a square plus b square plus c square. And what is the option we have? A square plus c square. This one in the place of r by abc we can write 4 delta. Okay, na? Yeah, how it is 4 delta we will discuss in next synopsis, then you will get the formula. So now time waste. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 11. So the 11th one is given that So if a triangle of a if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:10, angles are in the ratio 3:5:10, then the ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side. Ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side. We know that angle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. I am taking this ratio as 3x plus 5x plus 10x is equals to 180 degrees. Add all of them, 18x. 18x value 180, so x value 180 by 18, so nothing but 10 degrees. Therefore, the angles are 30 degrees, 50 degrees and 100 degrees. Okay, obtuse angle triangle. Now what we have to find? We should find the value of the ratio between the smallest side to the greatest side. Smallest side means the smallest side is exactly opposite to the smallest angle. So let us strike one triangle like ABC. I am taking that first 30 degrees, 50 degrees, 100 degrees. For example, I am taking, but not exactly the same figure. So smallest side, BC is the smallest side. Okay, na? And AB is the largest side according to this picture. Largest side is exactly opposite to the largest angle, and smallest side is exactly opposite to the smallest angle. Okay, na? Now we need to find the ratio. Ratio between smallest side to greatest side. According to the problem, what is the smallest side? BC. BC. Largest side is AB. Okay, na? So this is considering a small a and this is considering a small c. Okay, so this one I can write A by C. What is the formula for A? A formula is 2R sin A by using the sine rule. C formula is 2R sin C. 2R cancel, sin A by sin C. What is sin A value? A is nothing but smallest angle is 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2 and sin C largest angle 100 degrees. Sin 100 degrees. 100 degrees value I don't know. Sir, we don't know. So 1 by 2 into sin 100 degrees. Okay, na? 2 into sin 100 degrees. Now I am writing this one 1 by 2, 100 degrees I can write as 90 plus 100, 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10 which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin ratio positive. Whenever it is sin it will be cos. So 2 cos 10 degrees. So therefore the ratio is 1:2 cos 10 degrees. This is our required answer. Okay, na? Yeah, please check this. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. The next problem, yeah, 12th one. The problem number 12 is given that in a triangle ABC, if c power 4 minus 2 times of a square plus b square into c square plus a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4 equal to 0. Then we need to find the value of angle C. Okay, na? Yeah, let us try to find this one. I can see here c power 4, a power 4, b power 4. All are square terms and fourth power 4s. Now I am writing this c power 4 minus 2a square into c square, 2a square c square minus 2b square c square. That means this bracket term I am just multiply with 2 as well c square also. Okay, remaining I am writing as this a power 4 and a square b square plus b power 4 is equal to 0. Now I am writing the terms a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 together and remaining terms minus 2a square c square minus 2b square c square and plus a square b square equal to 0. Now just look at the board, it is looking like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That means it is similar to a plus b plus c whole square formula. But here 2 must be there, 2 not there, no. So I am adding a square b square both sides. 0 plus a square b square is a square b square only. Now this is also a square plus b square become 2a square b square. Now this a power 4 I am writing as a square whole square, b power 4 I am writing as b square whole square, and c power 4 I am writing as c square whole square. Minus 2a square c square minus 2b square c square and plus 2a square b square is equals to a square b square. Okay, na? But just to identify the minus symbols having the common letter c square. That means from these three terms having c is a negative terms. So we can write this one a plus b minus c whole square. That is equals to a square b square. Okay, na? A square plus b square minus c square whole square. That means it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square format. Now square root on both sides it will be a square plus b square minus c square is equals to, and while you are observing this one, see here what is missing here actually. While you are observing a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. 2ab is the formula, right? Yeah. Now that's why I am doing here multiply both sides. Yeah. First let me square root, apply the square root both sides, then it will be square and root cancel, ab will be remaining, and both sides we need to multiply with 2ab. Okay, na? Or we can write this one only a square b square, we are just dividing this side. Okay, na? 1 will be here, a square b square, this we can write a square b square, I can write ab whole square, okay, na, is equals to 1. Next what we want actually, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab we want, because of the cosine rule, cos b value, the cos c value. Okay, now I want 2 extra, so I am writing 2 here, so that's why I should multiply also 2 here. That means square we are writing means here 4 will be there. Okay, so that implies a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. That 4 I am transposing that side will be 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. That means we can write 1 by 2 whole square this one. Okay, now a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab is nothing but cos c equals to 1 by 2. Angle c is equals to, when cos value is 1 by 2, cos value is at 60 degrees. So both sides cos cancel, therefore angle c is equal to 60 degrees. Check. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The problem number 13 is given that let two sides of a triangle be 1 and 2004. Sides are given 1 and 2004. It can be meters or square meters, whatever, meters or centimeters, whatever. So if the third side is also an integer, then the possible perimeter of the triangle. So according to the property of a triangle, that is sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. I am taking the sides A, B, C. A value I am taking 1, B value 2004, C value we need to find. Okay, na? Sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. That means A plus B should greater than third side. So add both of them. 1 plus 2004 is nothing but 2005. So third one must be less than 2005. And coming to the third property of a triangle, difference of any two sides must be more than the, less than the third side. That means A minus B or B minus A is less than C. B minus A is less than C. Because of the third property, difference of any two sides must be less than the third side. Then only the possibility of triangle formed. So that means 2004 minus 1 is 2003 less than C. That means the C value must more than 2003 and less than 2005, and it is an integer. Integer means 2003, 2004. Between integer is only 2004. 2003, 2005 integer is 2004. Therefore, the third side C is equals to 2004. Then what we have to find? Perimeter we should find. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. First side is 1. Second side is 2004. Add 2005. 2005 plus 2004 is 4009. Okay, the answer is 4009. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 14. Okay, so that is tan A is to tan B is to tan C value is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Then sin A is to sin B is to sin C value we need to find it. Sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, now I am taking the ratio tan A is to tan B is to tan C. What is the ratio is given? The ratio is given that 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, now we need to find the ratio of sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Now this is a triangle, no, it is given in triangle. I can take that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and A plus B equals to 180 minus C. Now apply tan both sides. Apply tan both sides. If you apply tan both sides, it will be in the form of tan A plus B formula. I am writing the tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. That is equal to tan 180 minus C. 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Tan ratio is minus. Whenever 180 tan ratio becomes tan only. So tan C. That is equals to, that implies tan A plus tan B. The denominator transpose that side going to multiply. 1 into minus tan C is minus tan C. And minus term into this term, minus into minus become plus. That becomes tan A, tan B and tan C. Okay, na? So bring this side, it will be tan A plus tan B minus tan C. Bring this side, becomes plus tan C. That is equals to tan A into tan B into tan C. Now I am taking the ratio according to the ratio. Tan A I can write 1k, tan B I can write 2k, and tan C I can take 3k. So that means k plus 2k plus 3k is equals to k into 2k into 3k. What is the value here? K plus 2k, 3k, 3 plus 3, 4, 6k. 6k is equals to 6k cube. So both sides 6 cancel. K square is equal to 1. That means k cube by k is equal to 1. K square is equal to 1. That implies k value plus or minus 1. K value plus or minus 1. Okay, na? That means tan ratio we can take 1 or minus 1 according to the given question. This is 1, 2, 3. The values are as it is same. So 1, 2, 3 problems only. K value we can take. But we need to find that sin A, sin B, sin C ratio. Now I am writing that sin A I am going to write as, that is equals to tan A. Actually tan A ratio what? Sin A by cos A. Tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. So from this sin A equals to tan A into cos A. Tan A into cos A. That is equals to sin A equals to this one tan A. Cos A I can write 1 by secant A. So tan A by secant A, because we have the tan and secant ratio, secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then tan square theta or secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, root over 1 plus tan square, that is equals to sin A. What is A? A value is nothing but 1, B value is 2, C value is 3, because we got K value, no? K value substitute here, 1, 2, 3. So for sin A here, tan A value how much? tan A value we are taking as 1. 1 by root over 1 plus 1 square value 1, that is nothing but 1 by root 2. That is sin A value. Next, similarly we can write sin B as tan B by root over 1 plus tan square B. Tan B by root over 1 plus tan square B. So tan value is 2, B value 2, that is equal to root over 1 plus 2 square value 4. That means 2 by root 5, sin B value. Similarly, sin C value, I am writing directly, tan C value 3, 3 by root over 1 plus 3 square value 9, that is three by root 10. Therefore, the ratio sin A is to sin B is to sin C ratio, I am just finding sin A is 1 by root 2, that is to sin B is 2 by root 5, and sin C is 3 by root 10. If the answers are given like this, we can carry on. But options or denominators are not there. Now I am taking that root 10, I am just multiplying every term with root 10. Root 10 by root 2, 2 into root 10 by root 5, and 3 into root 10 by root 10. Root 10 cancel, root 5 and root 10 root 2 times, and root 2 and root 10 root 5 times. So therefore the final answer will be root 5 is to 2 root 2 is to 3. That will be the final answer. Okay, now that is the ratio between sin A into sin B and sin C. Please note that. We will go to the next problem. Yeah, let us go to the 16th question also. So angle B is equals to, what are the B angle is given? Pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 180 by 3 is 60 degrees. And angle C is equals to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but 180 by 4, 45 degrees. I am drawing the diagram here. So the D is a point which lies between B and C. That means internally means between B and C, and it is dividing the ratio 1:3. Dividing the side as 1:3. And this is sin B and it is sin C, means B and C angles are given. So what to find? Sin BAD by sin CAD. Sin BAD by sin CAD. Now I am applying that sine rule according to this angle B. Yeah. For this, for angle B it is opposite side, right? So I can write AD by sin B, sine rule. A by sin A, B by sin B, like this, right? Yeah, A is exactly opposite to the angle A. Here AD by sin B is equals to AD by sin C. Okay. From the same triangle we have taken, AD by sin B equals to BD by sin A. Sin A in the sense BAD. Okay, now let us write it as an equation 1. From this triangle I can write AD by sin C equals to DC by sin A in the sense CAD. Equation 2. Okay, now from the both of the equations, AD is a common term. Now I am just writing sin B value 60 degrees, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. I am substituting here only. So root 3 by 2 AD by root 3 by 2. 2 I can take to numerator, 2 AD by root 3. That is equals to BD by sin BAD. Okay. That is from the first equation. From the second equation, I can write this one AD by sin C. C degrees 45. 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 I can write like this. And DC by sin CAD. Okay. Now from the first one again, from this one I can write that. From this one I can write. I'm just changing that BD value is 1K. Okay, na? and AD equals to, from that I can write AD equals to root 3 BD by 2 into sine BAD. Okay, from the second equation I can write AD equals to DC by 1 into DC is DC by root 2 into sine CAD. So whenever LHS parts are equal, we can equate the RHS part. Okay, na? We can equate the RHS part. What is that? This RHS part equals to this RHS part. That means root 3 BD by 2 sine angle BAD equals to DC by root 2 sine CAD. We want the ratio of sine CAD by sine BAD by sine CAD. I am just transposing only sine BAD that side. That is equals to sine BAD by sine CAD. And root 2 transpose here, root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Here BD will be there, divided by 2 is available here, and DC. Okay, na? But BD and DC are in the ratio 1:3. DC value in the place of DC I can write 3K, here I can write K. Now let me write in the next step. So root 6 by 2 into, in the place of BD I can write K, in the place of DC I can write 3K. K and 3K. This is our required answer. Okay. Now K cancel. Root 6 by 2 into 3 is 6. So root 6 and 6, root 6 times cancel. So 1 by root 6 our required answer. Okay, na? Now let us go to the next problem. So problem number 17. Here all I am doing here, 17th one. That is, in a triangle ABC, the sides ABC are shown in that they are the roots of x cube minus 11x square. The equation is given x cube minus 11x square plus 38x minus 40 equal to 0. Cubic equation where ABC, the sides ABC are shown here. Then we have to find that cos A by A plus cos B by B and plus cos C by C value we have to find. Okay, but we have to take in that A, B, C are forming this equation. That means A, B, C are considering as roots. According to the cubic formula, sum of roots A plus B plus C equals to minus B by A. That means 11 by 1, 11. Sum of the product of roots AB plus BC plus CA equals to minus 38. Minus B by C by A, 38 by 1, 38. And product of roots minus D by A, so 40. Okay, now we need to find the value of cos A by capital small a. Now we have to find that cos A by A plus cos B by B plus cos C by C value we should find. Yeah, so cos A I am writing the formula here. Cos A means B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, and denominator already A is there. A I have written. In the place of cos B I can write A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC, and denominator is B. And C term A square plus B square minus C square by 2ABC. So all are having the same denominator 2ABC. If I write the denominator 2ABC like this, and what are the numerators? Plus C square minus C square is cancelled, plus B square minus B square cancel, minus A square plus A square cancel. What remaining? A square plus B square plus C square is remaining. Now I am using the formula A square plus B square plus C square will come in the A plus B plus C whole square formula. What is A plus B plus C whole square formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, na? What is that A plus B plus C whole square formula? That is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. But we know this value A square plus B square plus C square as numerator. So how can I write this one? This one I can write A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to A square plus B square plus C square divided by 2ABC. This is A square plus B square plus C square by 2ABC. Okay, na? So in the place of A square plus B square plus C square, I have written this one. In the place of 2ABC, I write 2ABC as it is. And A plus B plus C value we know that is 11, and AB plus BC plus CA value is 38. 11 square minus 2 into 38 by 2 into ABC value. What is the ABC value? ABC value is 40. So we know that 11 square value, 11 11s are 121. 2 into 38 is 76 by 2 into 40. Here 11 minus 6 is 5, 45. 45 by 2 into 40, both are cancelled in 5 table. Here 8 times, here 9 times. So 9 by 16. This is our required answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Problem number 18. Yeah, what is the 18th problem? In triangle ABC, A value is 5. Triangle ABC, A value is 5 and capital A value is 30 degrees. Then we need to find the circumradius. I am using the sine formula. A by sine A is equals to 2r. Sine rule, A by sine A is equal to 2r. In the place of A, I can write 5. Sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. That is equals to 2r. Now 5 is equal to 1 by 2 is dividing this side. When you transpose, multiply. So numerator denominator to cancel, r value 5. Okay, na? Next question, 19th one. So 19th one is in triangle ABC, A value root 3 plus 1. A value is root 3 plus 1 and B value 30 degrees. Capital B 30 degrees and capital C is equals to 45 degrees. Then C value, we need to find the C value. Okay, let us find the sine rule again. By using the sine rule, yeah, A, B, C. C value we should find. Okay, so we should use, I think, both of the rules we should use. A by sine A. Yeah, but we know that in a triangle B and C values we know. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. B and C value is already we know that is 105. So remaining value is 75. So A value is equals to 75 degrees. By using the sine rule, A by sine A. Sorry, 30. Sorry, it is not 70. Sorry, it is not 60. It is 30. This is root 3 plus 1, this is 30 degrees and it is 45 degrees. 75 degrees means A value is 105 degrees. So A by sine A is equal to 2R. A value is root 3 plus 1 by sine A means sine 105 degrees. We can write 90 plus 15. Second quadrant negative. Whenever sine ratio is 90, becomes cos ratio, cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees, that is equals to 2R. Okay, na? So cos 15 degrees value, we know that root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degrees value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to 2r. So let us find the 2r value by using this. Your take to numerator, this will complete. That means 2r is equals to 2 root 2. R value is root 2. R value is root 2. Okay, na? R value is root 2. Now we need to find angle C. So C by sine C is equal to 2R. But what is small c? Sine C value 45 degrees. Small c value we should find. C by sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 into R value, we got root 2. So C is equals to 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root to root to cancel, C value is 2. Okay. Let us go to the problem number 20. And A value is equal to 4 and angle A is equal to 30 degrees. A value is 4, angle A is equals to 30 degrees. Then find the value of R. Find the value of R. So we use the same sine rule. A by sine A is equals to 2R. A value 4, sine A is sine 30 degrees 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into R. 4 is equal to 1 by 2 transpose R set is going to multiply. R value is 4. R value is 4. So last 21st one, that is in triangle ABC, sigma sin B minus C by BC. Sin B minus C by BC. Let us find this value. Yeah, I am applying sin B minus C as compound formula sin B cos C minus cos B sin C. Sin A minus B formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, same way sin B cos C minus cos B sin C. And in the place of 2R or BC, we can write 2R sin B and it is 2R sin C. Am I right? Okay, that is sigma sin B cos C minus cos B sin C by 2R is 4R square sin B sin C. Okay, yeah, let us see. If I take 1 by 4R square common, then I can write, yeah, I can write 1 by 4R square common, that is sigma of. Now I am writing separately sin B cos C by sin B sin C minus cos B sin C by sin B sin C. Now sin B cancel, here sin C cancel. What are remaining? That is equal to 1 by 4R square into sigma sin C minus cos C by sin C become cot C minus cos B by sin B become cot B. So if you repeat the sentence same like this, because sigma is nothing but sum of, that means first C minus B. C minus B means cos C minus cot B minus cot C plus what will come next? C minus B. C minus B means B minus C. B minus A, cot B minus cot A. Next, cot A minus cot C. If you expand like this, A plus B, B plus C, C plus C, like that. All cancel. Negative positive, all cancel. So answer is 0. 0 into 1 by 4R square, answer will be 0. Okay, na? So from this problem, up to this problem, we have completed synopsis 1. Okay, na? Later we are going to the synopsis 2. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Okay.